This video is dealing with adjusting column widths. As you can see in column A, you cannot see all of the information that is in column A. There are several different ways that you can go about changing your column size. If we click on the A to select the entire column A, we can come over to where we see Format in our cells grouping. Click on the drop down arrow. We can come down to where it says Auto Fit Column Width and click, and it will automatically adjust that column for the longest line in that column. Now, as you can see, the longest line in this column right now is A1. A1 is technically our title and is not going to be the longest line in this column. So sometimes when you adjust your column and it gets wider than you need it to be, you can adjust it back down by going between the columns A and B, or whatever column you're using, but there's this small line between them. When you take your mouse pointer to that line, you can see that your mouse pointer changes to a double pointing arrow with a line. When you click with your mouse button, you can drag your column in to the left to make it smaller, or you could drag it to the right to make it larger. Another way that you can change your column width is you can go to a different column and click on that column to select the entire column. You can go between your column D and E to that line that I showed you before, and your mouse pointer becomes that double-headed arrow with a line. When you double click, it will automatically adjust for the longest line. If you wanted to set your column for a certain column size, let's say for instance column E, we want to set it for a certain size, we can go to Format, come to Column Width, and we can specifically tell it what size we want the column to be. So if we wanted it to be set at 12, we would type in the number 12 and click OK, and it would automatically adjust for that.